just sign one autograph? Thank you. Love doing those commercials for the insurance. You're still doing them, or is that?
Can I take a picture with you, boss? God bless you forever.
Mr. Quaid, can I get a picture with you?
Thank you, Mr. Quaid. You got money? You got money?
Dennis, if you were in a band with
With you a long time.
Not the biggest merce you've ever seen.
God bless you, nice one. If you were in a band with Billy Bob and
If you're gonna have a merce, have a big merce, right?
Sir,
you're in a band with Billy Bob Thornton and Dwight Yoakam, who's the front man in that? How does that go?
Who's got her back? That's what I want to know.
sir, I'm with you a long time.
Hey Dennis, tell us about Baron Banjo.
Stop the marketing.
My flash doesn't work.
You think Bear and a Banjo are really real people?
Sir, I'm with you a long time.
Wait, who are Barrett and the banjo? Do you think the impeachment inquiry would be good or bad for your brother's Twitter feed?
Sir, long time with you. You can put to Yaya my name.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Long time.
Do they still be
Yaya, why?
Dennis, Alex Trabek may have to retire from Jeopardy. Do you think that there's any good replacement?
There's nobody who can take over from Alex Trabek.
I have one more.
Greatest.
He's the best ever. I mean, is there anyone who could replace him? We were all raised on that voice. That never.
Thank you so much.
So they'll just have to shut it down then.
There's a girl tonight, Dennis.
Thank you.
A young blonde tonight.
Your brother has one of the more
Categorize now. Don't categorize.
You know the picture I got with you before, no good. I swear to God.
He does that with everybody.
Thank you. God bless you forever. Not only $50.
Sure. Would you like my merce?
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Dennis.
Well, Scarlett, I got your note. When I get some more info, I'll let you know
I'm
what's
so
up.
curious. I would love to know.
Do you think your brother's Twitter feed suffers?
You know I'm in Jimmy Kimmel. I talk about your movie one day, one time.
Yeah.
Jimmy Fallon. No, Jimmy Kimmel, my boss. Have a good night, sir. Hey, my man, how are you, sir?
Dennis, you think we'll have to see you turn your brother back around? Hey, thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Thanks a lot, Dennis. Thanks a lot, Dennis.
Alex retires. Do they have to close the show now?
Thank you.
Some out of them.